Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So, what's the Cardano latest target and what's the Cardano prediction today? Very special, my friend. And what's my opinion? I have master of 3 year and a crypto market exactly, and I also share my opinion. And this video to Cardano is moving up. You buy or sell everything or everything in this video is going very special, my friends. So keep watch, don't skip any second of this video. It's going very special for every holder. So my friend, all crypto market is falls down very badly, and those days exactly very badly falls down, my brother. So what's the condition of Cardano? I can't believe it. So how is it possible today go up? Let's get started this brand video. I request you, my brother, please, if you are new on our channel, then click the red button one time, subscribe this channel. This channel update you in 2 minutes every time latest news. Very good channel, my friends. Please, if you are crypto any holder, please subscribe our YouTube channel. My friends, come to the point. Okay, first of all, if you can see here this time the latest updates of Cardano, you can see here plus 1.36% good change occur in the last 1 hour, and you can see here very good they're going up, and 1.19 US dollar. I think the price is very badly decreased in the last days, and the first 2 weeks I think they very badly falls down. My friend, let's check out the last 3 days, what's going on in the last 3 days. Exactly, the last 3 day chart is very important. You can see here in the last 3 days they very badly falls down, my friends. You can see here this time change occur in the last 300 minus 16.31%, very badly falls down. And here you can see here 1.42 US dollar, but the price is decreased to 1.19 US dollar, so very badly falls down, my friends. Okay, I come to the prediction. Okay, my friends, this time if you can see here, my friends, I draw a two line. Okay, understand what I talk to you, my friends. This time I draw a two line. After a high jump, my friends, they fails down, and after a fails they take a high jump, and after a high jump they also fails down, my friends. You can see here this is the circulation. After a fails they take a high jump, and after a jump they fails down again, my brother. You can see here this point, and after a fails they again take a jump. So this is circulation, my friend, and I think the good time is also coming soon. Yes, exactly, this is jump time, my friend. Cardano, exactly, you already see the last 1 hour today starting moving up. So I think they are already starting moving up in upcoming days. They also going up, my friends. They can hit 1.5 US dollar just today. I hope they can hit it, and at the end of month I hope they can cross it 2 US dollar. Our target is 2 US dollar, my brother. On Twitter especially, you check out, go on our official Twitter official page. Okay, so my friends, come to the point. My opinion is that to please, if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this time is very good time to you buy it. Exactly, this is very good time to you buy it, because they are starting moving up. Exactly, you can see here this time they're starting moving up. Congratulations everyone. Please buy it, or don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.